What's going on? James here, VP of Sales and Marketing at ProLine, and today we're going to look at image annotations inside ProLine. Now, something of note is that this can be done both at the project level files. It can also be done at the contact level files. You click into a file, come down, hit edit. When you hit edit, there's going to be some things on the left side that you can do. Now, on the top, you'll have file name. We can always revert back to the original. We can save it, or we can cancel the edits that we're making here. If we look at crop first, on the bottom, you'll have the ability to change the aspect ratio. We can go ahead and either cancel that crop, or we can apply it. Now on the rotation side, we have an ability to go ahead and just do what we want here. Let's say I want to flip it upside down because I'm feeling wild. Then we can come into text. We can change font size, the color, right? You have a color picker. And we can slide this around just like you could any kind of other color. We could also change the font weight, normal or bold, type in, this is a cool house. And now it's red. And so then maybe we want to drag that around and put that here. We also can come into the draw, right? And we can draw on this. And it's probably more applicable to you circling things, Xing things, like you would with chalk on the roof. You can absolutely do that. We can come in here on the shape size. We can control the shape width and height, the stroke of like the edges of it, right? Do we want it to be a fill color? Do we want it to be transparent? What is the stroke color? Do we want, scaling proportionally? Do we want to go circle, rectangle, or triangle? So you have the ability to do that too. And then on the icon side, you can also go an arrow or a cancel icon. And then of course, dynamically scale that. Maybe we just hate this picture and for whatever reason, we want to go a big X. I'm being a little silly, but you do have the ability to use any of these. And if at any point, any of this doesn't make sense for what you want to do on this photo, all you need to do is you can either hit back, so we can go back, edit, undo essentially, one undo at a time. If you're like, let's just start over, we hit revert. You'll have a pop-up that says, hey, it's saved as normal. Revert back to what it was previously, and then here we are, we can edit again. So I hope that makes sense. You have image annotations inside ProLine now, so you do not have to use a secondary app to do this if you don't want to. You're also welcome to do that though, kind of up to you. Have a good one.